Alright, chat, heading to my sister's house right now. Meet up with my brother so we can clean the whips up. We heading to a car show out in Halifax County. And we'll be getting back with y'all, man. This be Q Rio. Y'all stay tuned.
I need some content. Oh, he gonna turn it up though. Oh yeah, I like that, Dustin. I like that. He'll come back. That ain't enough. That ain't enough. It ain't enough. The tire's still cold, bro. Oh, he got me. He didn't got me. He got them. You got me. Got my son, Marion. Oh man.